We take the problems and we take it upon ourselves to solve them.
Working with customers at a challenging time, the initial response is confusion, not sure what to do, where to start, and what we're able to offer is the ability to put some organization to the chaos and help each customer see the light at the end of the tunnel.
At the end of the job, when we pack things back, you can tell a weight has been lifted and they're able to get back on their feet, carry on with their lives.
We respond very quickly and promptly to a customer who has an event that has happened, and we get them back on their feet as soon as possible.
We treat people how we'd like to be treated. We're genuine and people care and want to do the right thing for the customer to get their properties put back together.
The day we get to meet these people, they've just had a terrible disaster in their life. And watching that change and watching their lives get restored at the same time, not just the personal property, it's incredible.
They work perfectly with us. They understand the dynamics of the health in the institution and what's at stake to get the job done.
I recommend Rainbow all the time to everybody. They're the best. They're the best at their job, and they're just a great bunch of people.
It really made a huge difference that they were able to come in and took on the project, made the client feel so much better. It was a big comfort for everybody involved.
It's really just trying to help people through the crises of their life in an open and honest way so that whenever everything is all said and done, their life is put back together.